Hello, my name is Ashley Blackwell, and for this presentation, I will be going over network graphs, specifically networks 2 and 3 for vulnerability recommendation. Here we have network 2. We have high betweenness between the nodes that are indicated on this page. Shadow having a 0.19. Those high connectivity levels in these nodes can affect multiple nodes within the network. Spectre at a 0.22 with 11 edges, Shadow with 12. Again, we see more vulnerabilities here with these nodes. Again, network 2, another view, we have Spectre, and Spectre affects all of these other nodes. These multiple edges between the nodes are a vulnerability within the network. Stealth, as you can see, Stealth has multiple edges. I would recommend with these multiple edges to monitor or to spread them out and have some of the lower connectivity edges or nodes take on some of these edges. I think that would help in these networks. For network 3, we have a whole new set of vulnerabilities. These nodes, Starhawk and let's see, yeah, Starhawk right here. If one of these nodes on either side is affected, and Nebula, then that will create an infection if you're talking about malware on the whole other side of that node. And so once we go out, we see that the nodes have fewer edges. And these nodes can actually be isolated from the entire network if we do not fix the vulnerabilities with these main critical nodes. Starhawk having a betweenness of 0.68, and we have Nebula with a 0.72 with 10 edges. This network is extremely vulnerable to infection from malware and definitely needs to be looked at. With the Galactica, and if Starhawk is infected, all of the edges that are in Pulsar 2, all of the edges that are connected will become affected. With Network 2, I would secure multiple connections in centrally located nodes. For example, Spectre, Phantom, Viper, Stealth, Cypher, and Rogue. Add connections to nodes with fewer edges, Nebula, Byte, Agent X being those. Monitor or fix bottlenecks with Ghost and Phantom. With Network 3, secure the nodes with high betweenness, multiple connections neutrality. Quantum Pulsar, Nebula, Stardust, and Starhawk. Fixed nodes that can be affected due to connections to fewer nodes edges, Nebula and Eclipse Zenith. They affect Chronos and Eon and can be later isolated. That is my recommendation for networks 2 and 3. Thank you for your time.